So good day sa inyong lahat. Again, it's me, Sir Jerry de los Reyes. At para sa week 2 ng ating lesson, pag-aaralan natin ang mga sumusunod. Una, writing the first nth elements of the sequence whose general term is given. Second is finding the nth term or the general term of each sequence. At ang ikatlo ay ang introduction to arithmetic sequence. So, handa na ba kayo? Sige, let's start. Magbibigay ako muna ng 4 na examples on how to write the first nth elements of the sequence whose general term is given. Let's have the first example. Example number 1. Write the first 4 elements of a sub n equals 2n. So, ang general term natin ay a sub n equals 2n. At hahanapin natin ang first 4 elements. So, paano ba natin malalaman kung ano ang isasubstitute natin sa ating n para magkaroon ng 4 terms or 4 elements? Okay, dahil sabi dito ay first 4 elements, ang mga numbers to be substituted sa general term ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Ulitin ko, dahil 4 ang sinasabi na kailangan nating hanaping elements, so ang substitute natin ay 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, kung paano yun, eto na. A sub n equals 2n. So let's have the first term. A sub 1 equals 2n. So ang isa-substitute muna natin ay 1. So 2 times 1 equals 2. Then, n equals 2 naman. A sub 2 equals 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Then, a sub 3 equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Then, a sub 4 equals 2 times 4 equals 8. So, ayan. Natapos na natin may substitute ang 1, 2, 3, 4 doon sa general term na a sub n equals 2n. At ang pagkuha nito ay nagawa na natin at ang mga nakuha nating answers are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the general term a sub n equals 2n are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Next. Number 2. Write the first 3 elements of the general term a sub n equals n squared minus 3. So dahil first 3 lang ang hinahanap, ano-ano na lang ang isa-substitute natin sa n? So tama, 1, 2, 3 lang. So let's solve. A sub 1 equals 1 squared minus 3. So dito, uunahin muna nating evaluate ang 1 squared. Dahil ang exponent na 2, ang ibig sabihin ay we have to multiply the base by itself. So 1 times 1 equals 1. Minus 3 equals negative 2. Second one, sa 2 naman tayo. A sub 2 equals the value of n, which is 2 squared minus 3. So what is 2 squared? Tama, it is 2 times 2 equals 4. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, at ang ikatlo, we have a sub 3 equals 3 squared minus 3 equals 6. So bakit naging 6? Kasi ang 3 squared daw, so 3 multiply sa sarili is 3 times 3 equals 9. Then 9 minus 3 equals 6. So our answer to the first 3 elements of a sub n equals n squared minus 3 are negative 2, 1, and 6. Number 3. Write the first 5 elements of a sub n equals 4n plus 5. Dahil first 5 elements, kailangan nating magkaroon ng 5 terms or 5 elements. So, ang mga values na isa-substitute natin sa n ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A sub 1. A sub 1 equals 4 times the value of n, which is 1, plus 5. Mumultiply muna natin bago i-add. So, 4 times 1 equals 4, then plus 5 equals 9. So, ang first element natin ay 9. Second term naman, 4 times 2. 4 times 2 plus 5. So, what is 4 times 2? Yes, 8. Then, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Next, 4 times 3. 4 times 3 plus 5 equals 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 5 equals 17. O, sa 4 naman. Next, 4 times 4 plus 5 equals 4 times 4 is 16 plus 5 equals 21. And the last, 4 times 5 plus 5 is 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 5 equals 25. So the first 5 terms of the sequence are 9, 13, 17, 21, and 25. Last example, number 4. Write the first 3 terms of the general term a sub n equals 3n squared minus 4. So again, dahil first 3 terms, ang isasubstitute natin ay 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's substitute. A sub 1 equals 3, quantity 1 squared minus 4. Okay, question dito. Ano-anong number o ano-anong uunahin natin evaluate kapag nakakakita tayo ng ganitong equation? 3 times 1 ba? Saka multiply sa sarili, or 1 multiply by itself bago i-multiply sa 3. Okay, tama. Tama, dahil square muna ang base, i-square muna natin ang base, saka i-multiply sa 3. Then, i-minus sa 4. So, the first element natin is 1 squared is 1 times 3, and 3 minus 4 is what? Okay, correct. Negative 1. A sub 2 equals 3, quantity 2 squared minus 4 equals 2. Equals 2 squared is 4. Times 3 is 12 minus 4 equals 8. Gets nyo ba? Okay, next. Last term. 3 naman ang isa-substitute. So we have 3, quantity 3 squared minus 4 equals 23. Why 23? Uunahin ng 3 squared, which is 9 times 3 is 27, then 27 minus 4 is 23. So we have now the first 3 terms or elements of the general equation a sub n equals 3n squared minus 4. And those are negative 1, 8, and 23. Okay, so you can now solve by yourself the worksheet I prepared for you. That is on the first page in your worksheet. So we will now proceed with the second objective, finding the nth term or the general term of each sequence. Baliktad naman. Dito naman, given ang mga elements ng sequence, hahanapin naman natin ang general term. Okay. Dito lang muna tayo sa pare-parehong common difference. Ano yung common difference? Okay, with my examples, mas mabilis nyo itong mauunawaan kung ano ang sinasabi kong with common difference. I will explain this in a form of a table. Okay, let's have this. Okay, as you can see, meron tayong sequence, meron tayong first term, sa first column na hanapin natin. We have the second difference, the common difference. The third column, first term minus the common difference, which is C. Then ito, yung hinahanap natin to find the general term A sub n equals dn plus C. Okay, let's have the first column. Aalamin na lang natin dito ang unang term sa bawat sequence. Okay, number 1. Ano ang first term? Number 1, the first term is 3. Number 2, the first term is 1. Number 3, the third term is the first term is 13. Okay, so titingnan naman natin yung second column. Ang nakalagay dito, common difference, and the symbol is D. Let's have the first sequence. 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Okay, kapag ang second term na 6 ay ima-minus sa first term na 3, the answer is 3. Kapag naman yung 9 minus 6 equals 3. Kapag yung 12 minus 9 equals 3. No? So, do they have common difference? Yes, and that number is 3. Common meaning pagkakatulad. Pagkakapareho at difference ay sagot sa subtraction, kaya tinawag na common difference. Okay? Pero kung mas madali sa inyo, ang tingnan na lang kung anong pare-parehong number ang inad para sa mga sumusunod na terms, pwede din. So dito ay laging plus 3 ng plus 3. So 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 3 equals 9, plus 3 equals 12. So laging plus 3 ng plus 3. Maaari din itong gawin nyo kung kayo ay mas nabibilisan dito. So the answer is 3. Okay, tingnan nga natin kung ano-ano ang common difference or kung ano ang common difference ng number 2 and number 3. Okay. So sa 2, mapapansin natin na lahat ng inad na number ay what? Ay 4. So laging plus 4 ng plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 4 equals 13, and so on and so forth. So sa number 3, ano naman? Pansinin ang sequence sa number 3. The sequence is decreasing o pababa. Ibig sabihin, nagma-minus naman tayo ng numbers. So dito, lagi naman minus 2. Minus 2 ng minus 2. So the common difference is negative 2. Next column, first term minus the common difference. Number 1. 3, ang first term, ang common difference is 3. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Number 2, 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. And number 3, 13 minus negative 2 equals 15. So dun sa number 3, sa rules ng subtraction, ang sinasabi natin, ano ba yung rules sa subtraction ng integers? Okay, ano yun? Change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. Pero ang pinakamabilis na paraan na kapag nakakita tayo ng minus negative o dalawang negative o dalawang minus, ang gagawin natin lagi yang plus. At sa last column, ito, mabubuo na natin ang general term na a sub n equals dn plus c. So, ang kailangan natin dito, yung second at saka yung third term. Number 1, d equals 3 and c equals 0. So, substitute lang natin. So, we have a sub n equals 3n plus 0, or simply a sub n equals 3n. Okay, kasi wala na yung 0. Number 2, d is 4 and c equals negative 3. So the general term is a sub n equals 4n minus 3. At sa number 3, di negative 2 and c equals 15. So we will have now a sub n equals negative 2n plus 15. Okay? So ayan, makakain ng sagutan yung second page ng module nyo this week. At ikatlo ay arithmetic sequence. So introduction to arithmetic sequence. Ano ba yung arithmetic sequence? Let's have first the definition. A sequence in which a constant d is added to the previous term to get the next term is called an arithmetic sequence. The constant d is called the common difference. Okay, in short, kapag ang sequence ay may common difference, ibig sabihin ito ay arithmetic sequence. So, let's have an example of word problem using arithmetic sequence. The cost of 1 kilogram of Isabela rice is 36 pesos. 2 kilograms of this rice costs 72 pesos. 3 kilograms cost 108 pesos and 4 kilograms cost 144 pesos and so on. So do 36, 72, 108 and 144 form an arithmetic sequence. Yes or no? 36, 72, 108, 144. Do they have the common difference? If yes, what is the common difference? The answer is yes. And the common difference is 36. 36. Let's see. 36 plus 36 equals 72. Plus 36 equals 108. Plus 36 equals 144. Okay? Next. Let's determine naman whether the sequence is arithmetic or not. Number 1. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. So, sa number 1, the answer is what? Yes or no? The answer is yes because there is a common difference which is 3. Okay, number 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, as we notice, magkakaiba ang numbers na ina-add natin. So, ito ay hindi example ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, how about number 3? Basta may pagkakaiba, basta magkakaiba ang numbers na ina-add to get the next number, ito ay hindi arithmetic sequence. Okay, so the answer is no. Number 4. Sa numbers naman na to, mapapansin natin na pare-parehong minaminus sa 2 to get the next number. Ibig sabihin, they have a common difference na negative 2, so the answer is yes. So kapag pare-pareho ang ina-add or sinosubtract, ibig sabihin they are arithmetic sequence. Okay? At sa number 5 naman, dito kailangan muna nating malaman kung paano mag-change ng improper fractions sa mixed number. Katulad ng 5 over 2. O, paano natin change ang 5 over 2 sa mixed number? So, 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2 and the remainder is 1. So, we will have 2 and 1/2. Doon naman sa 3 over 2. 3 over 2 naman, 3 divided by 2. So, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1. So, we have 3, 2 and 1/2, 2, 1 and 1/2, and 1. So, ito ba ay arithmetic or not? So, ito ay arithmetic. Kasi, sa bawat term, pare-pareho na binabawas natin ng kalahati or 1/2. 3 minus 1/2, 2 and 1/2. 2 and 1/2 minus 1/2, 2. 2 bawasan ng kalahati, 1 and 1/2. At isa't kalahati bawasan ng kalahati ay isa na lang or 1. So, 1 and 1/2 minus 1/2 is 1. Okay. How about this? Find the next 4 terms given the first term and the common difference. Katulad ng number 1. Ang a sub 1 daw equals 5. Ang b naman or the common difference is 7. So, anong gagawin natin? Hahanapin natin yung mga sumusunod na terms by adding 7. So, plus 7 ng plus 7. Okay. So, we have 5 plus 7 equals 12. So, 12 plus 7 equals 19. 19 plus 7 equals 23, then 26, then 26 plus 7 equals 33. So, the next sequence are, our next sequence nga, doon sa ating 4 terms ay 12, 19, 26, and 33. Okay. Dito naman, a sub 1 equals 4 and b equals negative 5. So dito anong gagawin natin? We will less or ima-minus natin yung 5 sa ating first term lagi. Kasi negative 5. So, minus 5. O, let's solve. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is what? Negative 1. So, negative 1 naman, minus 5. Both are negative. So, we will add the numbers, but the sign is also negative. So, we have negative 6. Negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. Negative 11 minus 5 equals negative 16. And negative 16 minus 5 equals negative 21. So, we will have the first term 4, then negative 1, negative 6, negative 11, negative 16, and negative 21. So, pwede nyo na ngayong sagutan yung page 3, worksheet nyo, about the introduction ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, so I hope madami kayong natutunan sa video na to at pwede nyo nang ulit-ulitin for better understanding or mastery ng topic natin. Okay, so thank you for listening. God bless us all. See you soon.